Hello guys, welcome back to our new video. So guys, today our topic is how to become a champion at brand collaboration on the Facebook. So guys, before we started our video, please subscribe our channel for the latest update on our channel. You can get from and press the bell icon. So let's get started. These days, most people who have had great success with influencer marketing will tell you that they couldn't have done it without great brand collaboration. Brand collaborations are one of the most effective ways to spread awareness about a brand and reach your target audience. However, with so many people trying their hand at a future influencing, you must know how to succeed at collaboration marketing to set yourself apart from the reset. Instagram has created a vast and incredible platform for anyone to create engaging, fun, and unique content. These people can become influencers and they can make an impressive living doing so. Another aspect of this, if you have your brand, is that you are making your brand visible to new prospective fans by doing an extensive brand collaboration. When you think about brands to contact, keep in mind that it is best to collaborate with brands related to your products. A more successful collab is possible if the product and brand interests are similar. The most effective ways to boost engagement. Influencers who are the great at brand collaboration enjoy great engagement on their accounts because they have the means to launch engaging activities. This is another reason you need to share common interest with the brands you intend to collaborate with. By having a similar vision, you can launch exciting events and activities. Unique and fresh content. It is easier to develop new and exciting content when you have a broader scope to work with that will boost your creative content creation. Decreased spending. If you enjoy a joint campaign, you will find that you don't need to spend as much on product promotions. Successful brand collaboration can have more considerable success than with paid campaigns since you can reach new audience and new markets are more significant. How to get great brand collaboration. Stick on your niche. It would help if you approached brands that have products within your niche. This will make it easier to create content and promote their products at the same time. You can suggest that your brand teams together to launch great campaigns and exclusive events. In addition, since it is all on the niche, the branded content can feature all brands and products more efficiently. Choose likable brands. Since you will partner with the brands you choose, you need to select those that you like. That way, you will enjoy if every time you promote their products. Regardless of your following size, if you notice that some brands are engaging with your creative content, you might want to consider them as a possible partnership. The best way to do this is check the following to see if brands have made an effort to get into contact with you. Check your followers list of brands, examine your likes for brand likes, read through your comments for brands, browse through your direct messages. Step for ranking your first brand. Suppose you have secured a brand collaboration. Now what here are the steps you need to take in order to make a great success of your first brand collaboration. With any business, marketing objects matter. Let's say down the road you get offer from the brand to other brands for collaboration. You must stick only to the ones that fit your original goals. Be clear about what you can offer. Reach out in a personal way. Negotiate if necessary. Use marketing channels. Stay organized. So guys, today uh, we can lot